In this example we will look at the angle between a plane and a line. Now it's always good to have a little bit of a picture, and so I'm going to do my magic again, and there it is, there's the picture. You should try to make one yourself if there's no picture available. So the angle between the plane and the line is the angle denoted there as phi, capital letter phi. And what we can do is find the normal of the plane, and we have the direction vector of the line, and what we can do then is find the angle theta. Now in this triangle here, there, in that triangle, theta, the cosine of theta, is the adjacent over the hypotenuse right there, and we know that the cosine of theta is that direction vector of the line, the in product with the normal of the plane divided by the length of both. Okay. But if we look again in the picture, then you can also see that theta is not really the angle that we're after phi here. But if you look at phi, the sine of phi is the opposite over the hypotenuse, which corresponds with the cosine of theta. You may have seen this before in trigonometry. So this whole thing here is actually the same as the sine of phi. So we're doing the same thing as finding the angle between two lines, but instead of doing the arc cosine at the end, we will do the arc sine at the end and find the angle between the plane and the line. So what are our vectors here? Well, for the line, for the plane, we need the normal vector, which is 1, 2, -1. And for the line, we need the direction vector, and that one is 1, so 1t, -1, and 2. So having those two, we can now say the sine of phi is the in product. So 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 times -1 is -2, plus -1 times 2 is again -2. But of course we will, I should have put that here, we need to make it a positive value, so modulus. And the length of this vector here is 1 plus 4 plus 1 is the root of 6. And the length of this vector is also the root of 6. So what we get here is 1 take away 4, -3, modulus stripes makes it positive. So 3 over root 6 times root 6 is just 6, which is 1/2. And we know that the arcsin of 1/2, that will be our angle, and that angle is 30 degrees.